Okay, great to see you here, and today is your last sessions of 3 days challenge, and today is very important for you. Why I am saying very important? Because today you will set up all your environment, and based on this environment you have to complete or you will execute your program. All right, so hope you already gone through the previous sessions. You understand bit theory about what is Java, what is JDK, JRE, etc. Right, so if you understand that, then today you have to start your actual practical, that is environment setup. Here you will install the Java, JDK, whatever it is, and you just take the blueprint document, take the step, what is the sequence. But I want to make you or give you one suggestions how you can start. Okay, so let's say in a video or in a sessions it's give some practical to install some software, maybe create some Java program. Okay, so how you can do that? So just watch these sessions, play and pause mode. What it's mean? So first you play these sessions, then listen few bit of the sessions, understand it, and whatever I told there you have to implement the same thing in your Eclipse. Okay, or you have to implement the same thing, that is something, let's say in this case you have to set up your environment, you have to install some JDK. So whatever I am telling here, just make these sessions as a play and pause mode. Play, understand, implement, again pause, and then again play, again pause something, play and pause mode. You have to understand and implement the same thing for next 60 days. Okay, so if you do this way, you can easily set up your environment, you can easily complete all the program that I made for you, and all are basically hands-on, like I said in our last day sessions. So okay, best of luck. Start your practical from today. Thank you. I believe this video has helped you to understand about the topic. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe, click on the bell notifications and select all, so that you don't miss any video from this channel.